friends, it's Susanna. This is a great little workout session for your spine and other important body parts. Are you ready? I'd like for you to have a chair with a back you can hold onto, or you could use a wall for one exercise. And then we'll be doing a spine strengthening squat with a weight. So a heavy-ish weight for you, either a dumbbell or a kettlebell would be great. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's get going. Okay, let's begin by facing the back of a chair or the side of a wall. And what we'll be doing is what I refer to as wall dog. So you can grab a hold of the back of your chair and walk backwards or press into a wall. And your feet will be hip width apart and your body should be more or less 90 degrees. Let's bend and straighten the knees here to kind of just warm up. And then hold this stretch, lengthening from your hands through your arms, all the way, shoulders to your hips, and breathe. You should feel a certain level of tension and lengthening for your spine. Hold here for a few breaths. Beautiful job. Okay, now walk up. That decompresses the spine, very important. So now holding on to your chair, let's go ahead and do hip cars. Root down in one leg, lift up the other, and rotate out to the side, behind you, and forward. And then back, out to the side, and forward. And circle around. So important. So remember, when we do hip cars, we're working on the mobility and strength of course, of the hip that you are moving, but the leg that you're standing on is getting that great experience of being just one leg holding up your whole body weight. So that's strengthening for that side. All right, those are your hip cars on that side. Let's do the other side. Okay, root down, press up, lift up, and rotate away. Good. So I go one direction and then reverse it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, baby. So good for hip mobility and strength. A CAR, C-A-R, is a controlled articular rotation. Okay, so some hip work there. Now let's do some foot stuff. So looking down at your feet, we'll press the big toes down and lift the little toes up. Press the little toes down, lift the big toes up. Switch it again. Now, are you new to this? If you're new to this, I have to give you the how to learn, teach your toes how to do this. So go ahead and, if you're new, hold your big toe down and pull your little toes up. Ah, yes. And now switch it. Little toes down, pull your big toe up. So basically train your toes to have this experience and then try to teach them to do it independently. And sooner or later you'll get there. Do this all the time. My favorite toe exercises. Ooh, yeah. Then let's play with the toes a little more. Let's lift all of them up and plant them down. All of them up and plant them down. You could tap them. Great. Excellent. And now please face your chair. So we're going to walk back a little ways, but now step your right heel forward and hinge back with your hips. Have a straight back and pull up on your foot. Pull, pull, pull. You feel what you're feeling there? Feel your calf? I am. And now we'll tap the foot here. So here we have ankle and foot and calf and shin. Oh my God, so many great body parts are getting stronger and more flexible, mobile really. Great. Hold it up. Come forward. Squeeze your glutes. Lift your heart. And reverse. Step back. Other foot forward with the heel. Hinge at your hips. You know what that means, right? Stick your butt behind you. Have a straight back. Pull up on your foot. And now start to tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. So good. Okay, let's hold that up. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And come forward. Send your hips forward. Lift your sternum. Look up. And release. Very good. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is do some squats to help us prepare our core, our legs, and our glutes for being able to rise from the floor. It will build strength. And we're going to put extra load on our spines today by using a weight. So if you'll find a nice heavy for you, not too heavy, but heavy weight, hold it goblet style in front of your chest and relax your shoulders. Take your feet out a bit, and then we will be sitting down and standing up in this squat. So remember, the key is that in this squat, we can keep the spine straight, and when we stand up, we gently engage the glutes. Good, and the most important thing is not to round the spine, so if your weight is too heavy, you could be rounding. So you can sit, there's many variations on this. You're more than welcome to choose a different type of squat or hold your weights in a different way, but I'm offering this suggestion today. Keep going, please. Let's do about 12 of those. Sit and squeeze. Breathe in, exhale. Good job. All righty. All right, and now, if you're using a weight, you'll want to very carefully put it down. And lastly, we'll stretch the shoulders and the wrists. So shake out. Let's do a nice shake out for shoulders and wrists. Let go of any tension. All right. So bring the shoulders up, inhale, exhale, roll your shoulder blades down your back, inhale, exhale. Good, reverse direction. Nice. Let's extend one arm in front. Take that hand with the opposite hand and pull it back. Stretch the wrist. Good, and the other arm forward. Grab a hold, pull it back. Stretch. Very nice. And now shake it out. Flick your fingers, move them around. And we'll do one more seriously important exercise for grip strength, hand strength, wrist strength. And you don't need any props. Here, all you have to do is open your hands wide with a lot of tension and then curl them in and make fists and squeeze and keep rolling them in so that you're feeling a stretch on the back of your hand, and then open it up and roll it in and open it up. Good job. Let's do a few more. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, and open it. Stretch. Last two. Bring it in. Bring it out. Last time. Ooh, we're going to strengthen our hands, our fingers, and our wrists. Great. Let's end the way we began with a wonderful spine decompression move. Wall dog, either at your wall or your chair, in which case we could call it chair dog. So 90 degrees with your body. Hold on to the back of a chair or press into the side of your wall. Feet hip width apart. Send your butt behind you. You might bend the knees a little. If your back is rounded at all, you want to bend your knees and stick your butt. We want a straight spine. Once you've got a nice straight back, then you can try to straighten the knees and then find your breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel a lengthening. Feel that your spine vertebrae are decompressing. They're elongating. There's space. And breathe into this space. So good. Inhale, exhale. To release, let's bend the knees and carefully walk forward. And go ahead and shake it out. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a great routine you can do every day, every other day, and especially do it now and prepare for when I get my ebook available for you and the videos. Get Up with Susanna. They're going to be fun. I'm telling you, my sequences. So if you're interested, you can go below this video. There's a place where you can sign up and join my email list, and I'll be sure to let you know as soon as my ebook Get Up with Susanna is available. You can sign up. If you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, well, where have you been? Go over to Facebook, request to join. We'd love to have you. We support each other in doing supportive bone strengthening exercises every day. We're a wonderful community of like-minded, strong women. And lastly, thank you. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video. I love it if you like the video with a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber to the YouTube channel, and go below. Tell me how you're doing. Love to hear from you. Have an awesome rest of your day.